Alright everybody, welcome back to Game Time. I am GameTimeBarney, and today I have with me
Rio. And
today we also have the girls. Marley, can you say your name and say hello to everybody?
Hello.
And what's your name?
Mom, I get my skate every day.
Oh yeah? And who's this little one right here? What's your name?
Gwen.
Gwenny, can you tell everybody on YouTube hello? Look at the camera. Marley, what are we going to be doing?
Doing the fish tank.
Doing the fish tank.
May I unbox it then?
Absolutely.
Wait, I'm supposed to do.
You're going to help her when she pulls the stuff out.
Okay. Where's your fork?
What was inside the box? What do you got in your hand there?
Grass.
Grass? What else was in there? The cord? What did you find in that box, Marley?
Ice and rocks.
Some rocks?
Pink and yellow and black. Pink, purple and blue. Purple. What's that? What's that?
So right here we've got the world's smallest desktop fish tank.
Small.
It is a little small, but that's what's going to be so much fun.
We gotta add a guppy in there so don't eat it.
That's fine, yeah. So right here we've got 6 LED lights.
Yeah.
There's a small sponge filter down here at the bottom. You've got the pump underneath the base and the intake and outflow right here on the front of this. Oh, look, watch your head, Steven. On the front of the fish tank, it's got a little display where you can see the time and the date and the temperature. And right here you can put all sorts of your desktop stuff like your phone and stationery. So we're gonna get started on the build. Alright, so the girls are gonna get busy at putting everything inside this tank so we can get it designed and ready to go, and we might add a guppy or some shrimp. Picked out 2 guppies from our big tank to go ahead and put into this little tank. Go ahead and put them in. Pour it in, honey.
Daddy, what's in there, Daddy? Oh, the white swimming in there. Daddy, then say, let me have the yummy.
I think they like their new.
I think you missed the bunnies. Oh. Then wait.
Thank you for spending some time with us.
And sent you praise.
We had fun building that the world's smallest desktop aquarium.
And go click another show.
Go click another show. Thanks for coming to Game Time. Tell them, give us a thumbs up. like Gwenny, leave a comment.
And go over there and go somewhere else. Go.
And don't forget to subscribe and join the family.
And go home and go somewhere else.
Tell them game time out.